parallel with Old Yanship Road, and there's a patrol heading towards Old Yanship Road in the section closest to Old Yanship Road. He's a civilian and will need to get out of the area ASAP. I tried following him, but he's taken off. Roger, is he on hold?
Hey?
Or is he on
I get this on
West
video very often.
Heading towards Old Yanship, about halfway between West Coast.
They might be able to stop it.
Waddle Lab. Coast Control from 6th Command of November. This fire has jumped West Coast Road. We're going to try and get through to stop the highway over.
My God.
Roger, just confirming the fire has jumped West Coast Road, over. Jump West Coast Road, over.
It's about to. There's nothing that's going to stop this.
November from West Coast Control. Just so that you're aware, it is believed that those power lines are live, over.
Damn right. Glad we got our truck out of the way. Wait a minute, incinerated. They're not going to be able to stop there. Nah, it's well over.